Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, let's walk through a basic tutorial on using CUDA with Python on Windows. CUDA is a parallel computing platform and application programming interface model created by NVIDIA, and it allows developers to use NVIDIA GPUs for general purpose processing. NVIDIA GPU. Ensure you have an NVIDIA GPU that supports CUDA. You can check the CUDA-enabled GPUs here. Cudatoolkit. Download and install the Cudatoolkit from the NVIDIA website. CUDNN. Optional for deep learning applications, you may want to install CUDNN. You can download it from the NVIDIA CUDNN website. Python and pip. Install Python from python.org and make sure pip is installed. Open a command prompt and install the number library, which provides a just-in-time JIT compiler for Python code, and the Cudatoolkit package, which includes the necessary CUDA libraries. Create a Python script, for example, CUDA_example.py, and add the following code. This script defines a simple CUDA kernel that adds two matrices, A and B. The main function generates random matrices, transfers them to the GPU, launches the kernel, and prints the result. Open a command prompt in the directory where your script is located and run. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the result matrix printed on the screen. Remember that this is a basic example, and in more complex scenarios, you might need to manage memory explicitly and handle synchronization between the CPU and GPU. The number library simplifies this process by providing a convenient interface for CUDA programming in Python. ChatGPT.